Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can check some planes nearby in the Planes Live application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the nearby button at the bottom of the page on the right. And as you can see, if you drag this section up, you will be able to see some flights that is near to your destination. And if you scroll down, you will also be able to see some airports near you. And if you're interested in any of them, then just click on that. And then here are some information on the Debrecen International Airport. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.